Hey guys, welcome back. In this video we are going to see how to delete data from database in PHP. So let's get started. So previously we had built this part where we had done the insert, edit and update, and now we are going to see how to delete the data from database. So let's start with the coding. So here we have the table where we have displayed the data, and this is the edit button. So now we are going to make the delete button. Let's open a form tag here, and here we are going to say the button btn.btn, and here say delete. Give btn danger so it appears in red, and button type equal to submit. Make sure you have given this button type equal to submit. Okay, so here what we are going to do is we are going to redirect it to the page called code.php and along with the method post. Okay, so method equal to post, and along with the id we are going to send it. So what we are going to do is we are going to give a input tag here which will be hidden. Okay, input type equal to hidden, and the value you have to just give its id. So just copy and paste it from here, copy and paste. Make sure you have given this echo. Many times we just put this and forget, and it doesn't echo the data, so we get null value. Give the name will be id. Let's keep id. Okay, so now on clicking this delete button, it is type submit, right? So it will go to the action thing which we have given code.php. So it is going to go to the code.php. So here we have the insert data code and update data code. So let us write the delete code over here. Delete data from database, and here we are going to check if the button is clicked. Okay, if is set $_post of the delete button. So let us go. So we haven't named the button, so let us give a name for the button. Click name. Okay, name equal to delete_btn, and copy this and paste it over here. So if this button is clicked, it will go inside this. So what we are going to do here is we are going to first get the id. So let's create a variable called $id equals $_post of id. This id we have given in the name attribute of the hidden input tag. Okay, so here you can see name equal to id. To keep it clear, I'll say delete id. Okay, copy. So now you can understand it clearly. So here I have given this 2 times. Let me remove it once. Okay, and paste it. So we have got the id now. So now let us write the query to delete that id. So I'll create a variable $query equals say delete from users where id equal to, within single quotes, pass your $id. Okay, so now we are going to write a function to run this query. So here we are going to create a variable called query_run equals MySQL query_query. Here you are going to pass the $con, that is a connection, database connection, and the query. End it with a semicolon, and now we are going to check it. Okay, if $query_run is true, that means if the data is, if the MySQL query has worked perfectly, we are going to set the session message $_session of status is equal to, give the message here, that is data deleted successfully, and we'll redirect it. So header in single quotes, give location space index.php semicolon, copy the same thing and paste it in the else part. Else, just change the message, that is data did not delete. Remove this. Okay, so now we are just going to test it, reload the page. Let us make this button small. Class button, just remove this and say badge, and you can reload. So you can see it has come like a badge. And similarly for the edit also, we are going to give edit make badge. Okay, reload. Oops, there's some mistake in that. Badge. Now reload the page. So you can see I've got the edit and delete here. So when I click delete on this ID number 9, it has to delete from here. So let us click and check. So you can see, hey, data deleted successfully, and here also it is not found, the data ID 9. Okay, so let us check it. Localhost / PHP MyAdmin, and our database was PHP Sharma, and in that we had table called users, and you can see we have only 3 records here, and similarly here also we have 3 records. We have deleted this ID number 9. In this video we have seen how to delete data from database in PHP. So thank you for watching. Please like the video and subscribe to the channel. Thank you.